Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Semco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to explain the operation of a 33140 barcode type 6-channel cell sorting machine. Before that, let's know what are the machine's specifications. This machine is specially designed for the 33140 type cells. And also this machine has a barcode scanner feature that can scan the barcode on cells and find the actual value of cells. The benefit of having a barcode type cell sorting machine is that it can scan and find the actual value of IR and voltage on cells. After that, it can sort the cells easily on the basis of voltage and IR values. Before the operation, let's know the parts and function of this machine. This is the 6 gear or 6 channel of this machine that can give 5 types of IR and voltages value in cell within one time operation. And one gear is for not good series, means those cells which is not in the given 5 ranges will come on this last 6 gear. Firstly, we need to put the cells here that we want to sort. Then we have to create a program according to our requirements of IR and voltages of cells. So let's start. For creating the program, we have to tap on measurement files. Here we can create program according to our desire, and here we have already created the program. You can see, for selecting the program, we have to tap on the program, then we have to tap on open. Now we will come on production operation. Here we have downloaded the program. Now we will reset this, then tap on run for starting this. So here you can see our all cell has sorted in different gears according to given parameters. Here you can see the IR values with gears. Here we can find the all data of sorting on sorting record and export also in Excel form. This is the number of cells we have sorted. This is complete sorted cell, and this is successfully sorted in range, and this is failed in last 6 gear cells. So this is all about 33140 type cells 6 channel barcode type cell sorting machine. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share this video and subscribe to the channel for exciting demos of such machines and equipments. Thank you.